Hi guys, Nick Miller, Dave Merck Supply Company. Today I have for you a very nice 2017 SKYJACK SJ66T. I have a pair of these for sale. This unit has 1,262 hours on it. The other unit I have, I think, 973. Both are matched units. I think they're 1 or 2 serial numbers apart. Both equipped the same. These are welder ready machines, which standard they'd come with a 3.5 kW generator. These have a 12,000 kW generator, welder mount in the basket, 220 plugs already up there. Very nice, clean machines. I'm going to have Carlisle Track Chief all foam filled tires on, 385, 65, D19 5s. Unit has the Duetz 2.9 liter 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine in it, 100% ready to go to work. We're going to start here right underneath the engine compartment. All gel coated fiberglass panels are in very good conditions. Nothing's busted. There's one little wee nick in one, which we'll show you. Is it on the other side, Matt? Back corner. We'll show you here. 1262 on the hours. We've done a complete and full service. We've marked everything at 1260 MSC. We went ahead and did this, and that way it was 100% done and ready to go to work, taken care of. So we like to do that kind of thing. We'll show you whenever we start all ground controls work, but we did hydraulic, pilot, fuels. We'll take you over to the engine side here now. Machine has been, honestly, washed and waxed. The center panel right here, something bumped it. Decracked that right there. Just want everybody to know that and be honest. Again, Duetz 2.9 liter 4-cylinder turbo. Again, air, fuel, engine oil, all changed. Tandem pump, master switch, battery, and swing drive. Nice thing on the SKYJACKs, you can unbolt your engine compartment. This will come right around for service, which is really nice. Lift cylinder, swing gear, swing drive for the carriage. Everything in very nice shape. Again, no oil leaks. Track is nice on the boom. 66Ts all have a 5-foot Jib Boom on them. Baskets are set up very nice. Glazing kit. Welder ready. Plug is here. Welder mount is there. Side entry gate with spring-loaded side door. Baskets are in beautiful shape. You can see. Control. This is equipped also with the SGE system. So if you put your arm on here, it's going to shut your function down, shut your machine down, keeps a man from getting pinned if something would happen, some type of human error, or somebody would get sick and slump over them controls. It's not going to cause some type of problem. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to fire this unit up. Go to ground controls first. When we run the functions, head up to the basket. Okay, here's the platform. Go ahead and shut it off so we can restart it from up here. We're going to go ahead and get down and go to the drive. Guys, I've sold a bunch of lifts over the past couple of years. I mean, we've all sold lifts, but been in business 40 years. So, you know, one day, in my opinion, JLG was probably one of the best lifts you could buy. They're built 40 minutes here from our shop in McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. So, a lot of my high school friends went to school with all work at the plant. One actually, best friend of mine, built SKYJACK his whole life. You know, it's sad to say this, but I think a SKYJACK is 3 or 4 times the lift that a JLG is. That's my opinion. That's what's so great about this country, is we have the right to our opinions. That's my opinion. I see the way that these are built. These are very easy to work on. They work off a lot of common 12-volt relay systems, even in this 2017 unit. Very easy to work on. The JLG, in my opinion, I think JLG's hit this platform where they're a big name, and they got all the overcomplicated stuff that shouldn't be the way it is. And if you are looking for a lift that, in my opinion, you can service, you can take care of, you can maintain, that is a heck of a built lift, look at these SKYJACKs. And we've shipped a bunch of them. Texas, Illinois, Chicago, other dealer from it bought us from Iowa, bought a bunch of them off of us. You know, they're a very good machine. I do believe they have a great drive system where it's a set of real axles versus hydraulic drive motors, and I think that that is a great setup. It's a hydraulic drive motor running a planetary set of gears in the rear end versus an actual hub motor, and I like that. It's very simple, it's very basic, it's like a truck rear end setup. Again, it's easy to maintain. We've even marked the hubs, we threw and did the hub wheels. Again, this machine is serviced up, ready to go to work. Very nice, clean machine. It is a 17-year model compared to what they're asking for some of the 12s, 13s, 10s with 2,600 to 4,000 hours. I'm priced right in the market. So I do have 2 of these for sale. Any questions, 814-658-3066. Check out our website. We do a good job of taking a lot of photos. And I'm taking this time to do these videos for you, the customer, not me, not for my help, not because I want to do this. Because we need to do this to honestly show equipment, show the truth of what it is. So if you got any questions, 814-658-3066. Thank you very much for checking out Mark's Supply Company. As always, please have a great day.